How to sign up for Betway account. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to create an account for Betway. In order to create an account on Betway, you'll need to use a web browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. Once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar type in betway.com, and once you type in the link, it's going to take you to the official web page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to create an account, click the sign up button in the top right hand side corner. Now you'll need to provide in your following information, that is, create a username, create a password. For the confirmation, type in twice, and enter in the email address. And for the personal details, you'll need provide in your first name and last name, date of birth in the country. For the contact details, you have to provide in all sort of things, so make sure to go through it all and type in the information accordingly. Once done entering the information, scroll down right to the bottom, click email or any of the modes to receive a confirmation code, and click the register button. After you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll need to provide in the confirmation code that will be sent through an SMS, email or a phone call. So once you're done entering the following information, then you'll be notified that you've successfully created your account on Betway. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.